Hey kids, today we are going to learn opposites, big and small, hot and cold. Are you ready to learn and play? Say yes. Let's go. Opposites are words that mean the opposite, like up and down. Let's learn together. Big versus small. Big, elephant. Small, ant. Say with me. Big, small. Big, small. Hot versus cold. Hot, fire. Cold, ice. Repeat. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Fast versus slow. Fast, runner. Slow, turtle. Say it. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. Happy versus sad. Happy, camping face. Sad, sad face. Your turn. Happy, sad, happy, sad. Up, down. Let's say together. Up, down. Up, down. Open, close. Repeat. Open, close. Open, close. Now let's play a game. I say one word, you say the opposite. Ready? Game. Big. Kids. Small. Big. Small. Hot. Kids. Cold. Hot. Cold. Happy. Sad. Up. Down. Awesome job, kids! You learned opposites. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next fun video.